Good, hello internet, welcome back. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. These are the lines we drew in the previous classes. Now we're going to learn how to draw a polyline. You're going to find out when you're doing when you start using your Autocad more effectively that there is difference between an ordinary line and a polyline. If you want to draw a polyline, when you get to the draw menu, click on the draw menu, you're going to see this is a line, whereas this is a polyline. So a polyline contains multiple lines in other forms, whereas a line is just a straight line above. And when you're working on them in details in AutoCAD, you see that there are a basic difference between using a polyline. So you can make some shape that you can make some shapes using line that you could also make using polyline, but there are major differences when you're actually working on it in advanced forms in AutoCAD. So now we're going to learn how to draw a line using polyline, or how to draw a polyline. So I'll click on polyline, then pick the first point, start point, I pick here, pick the next point, I pick here, pick the other point, I pick here, then I'm going to hit on enter to stop. So this is my polyline, you can see. And if I want to close up this line, say I want to close it up, I don't want it to be open, so I can still go back to draw menu, polyline, that's how you do it. Pick this as the first point by clicking, pick this as the second point by clicking, pick this as the third point. Then I'm gonna type in C, that means close. Then I'm gonna press enter key. So see, it has closed. So this is another close polyline. Another way of doing this, instead of going to the draw menu, I can easily go here. This is the polyline. It's my polyline. Click on polyline, pick the first point, pick it, pick the second point, click here, third point, click here, fourth point, click here. I can just click on enter, and that's how it ends. Say C, enter to close it up. So this is my other polyline. So that's how you do draw a polyline. I hope you understood it. I can as well go here to the command line and say P-line. P-line, that's the command. Say enter. See, the same thing. I'm gonna just pick here, pick here, pick here, pick here, and press on enter, since I don't want to close it. If I had wanted to close it, I would have typed in C, but I'm just gonna click on it.